Okay, here are bearings for a '05 Yamaha Grizzly 660 front and rear bearings. Here is the old original bearing. Here is the two bearings that I put on the rear, and as you can see, the inner races are loose. Those are the ones that were put in and installed were found to be faulty. Here is one in the package, and I don't want to really install these because they do the same thing. When you open these up, the first thing I noticed, there was no markings on them, but when you test the inner seals, they spin great. But look at the inner racing in the ball bearing seat. This causes my axle and my wheels to warp. That's brand new, not even opened, not even installed. That's brand new in the box. So I've got two brand new in the box. Here's one that is brand new. They spin great, but they move. These bearings are no good.